Ever wonder how to turn a blurry, low-res photo into a stunning, crystal-clear 4K masterpiece? Today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using LetsEnhance, an incredibly easy AI upscaler that works right in your browser. LetsEnhance is an AI-powered platform designed to upscale, sharpen, and clean up your images without making them look fake or plastic. Whether you're working with product photography, old scans, or low-res AI art, this tool can boost your image resolution up to 16 times, all the way up to 512 megapixels. Using it is super simple, and you can try it out for free. Here's how to do it in 3 quick steps. First, head over to letsenhance.io and upload your image. You can drag and drop any JPEG, PNG, or WebP file right onto the dashboard. Second, choose your enhancement type based on what your image needs. If you have a standard portrait, product shot, or a textured photo, stick with the default prime mode. It's excellent for bringing out natural, sharp details. If your image has small text or very fine details that you don't want distorted, switch over to gentle mode. And if you're trying to rescue an old, damaged scan, select the old photo mode to repair the damage first. Finally, once the AI works its magic, just click download to get your high-resolution image. What makes LetsEnhance stand out is that it avoids that weird, over-processed plastic look that many cheap filters give you. It recovers real texture, corrects exposure, and reduces noise. It's perfect for print-on-demand sellers who need their designs at 300 dpi for posters or t-shirts, or for e-commerce stores looking to polish up product shots. You can even batch edit up to 20 images at once to save time. Now, to be completely transparent, we have limited external user review data for this tool at the moment, so we can't give you a massive consensus on what the community thinks. However, from our hands-on look, the primary drawback of the free tier is that your downloaded images will have a watermark. To get clean, watermark-free downloads and unlock the highest resolution outputs, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan. Overall, if you need a quick, no-nonsense way to salvage low-quality photos or prep your images for high-quality printing, LetsEnhance is definitely worth a look. Head over to letsenhance.io to try it out for free, and let me know in the comments how your upscaled photos turned out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick, honest AI tutorials. See you next time!